Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Bell Over Auto Spa. We're going to be reviewing the Griot's Garage ceramic washing coat today. This is probably the last ceramic soap I'm going to be testing out, so we're going to see how it works. It looks like it's going to rain outside, so people are probably going to be looking at me crazy washing the car in the rain. So real quick with the directions, go ahead and pause it if you want to read any of that. Shake well, apply to a cool surface in the shade prior to washing. Prepare wash tools for process. High pressure rinse vehicle from top to down to get rid of loose surface contaminants. Optional methods. It's got foam cannon. I don't like to use these in foam cannons. You can if you want to. Or it's got bucket wash, 2 ounces of ceramic wash and coat per gallon of water. So I've got about 2 gallons of water, so I need about 4 ounces. I'm just going to kind of estimate that. Let's go get it over to the wash bucket and we'll see how this stuff works. I forgot to hit record as I filled it up, but I put approximately 4 ounces in. What I was saying is this, you can use the ceramic 3-in-1 wax to help while you use this. You basically wash with this, spray the 3-in-1 wax on the car, and then rinse it off. I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to show you what I got here. I've got this Chevy Spark rental car because my other car got hit and is in the shop right now. So this has got no protection on it. Need to grab my wash mitt real quick. I'm using this wash mitt just to show you guys that there's no protection. Okay, water's completely flat. It is going to rain soon, so I'm going to be kind of quick with this. I'm not going to be doing the whole car really, but I just want to show how it works. So we wet the car down. All right. Go ahead and get it nice and wet, give it a wash. Windshield too. Mirrors. It actually smells just like 3-in-1 wax, so it's not a bad smell. Pleasant smell, really. Kind of weird, but oh well, whatever. Let's see how it rinses. Look at that. Water sheets right away. See how it does with bleeding. These are really nice too. Wow. Pretty obvious protection right away. So like I said, it is going to rain, so I'm not even going to dry the car off. I'm just going to go around it real quick just to give it some protection. But yeah, look at that. Let's hit it again. We'll see how it, maybe a second coat adds a little bit more. Look at that, guys. That's pretty impressive. I'd say the beads are almost as good as the Meguiar's, not quite. So let's go into some final thoughts about this. Let me take you up real close just so you can see how the beading looks. It's definitely better than Armor All. I'd say almost as good as Meguiar's. Similar to CarPro. Overall, pretty good product. So let's go ahead and get some final thoughts on this. All right, so final thoughts. Let me grab some of my other products so I can show you guys everything that I've got. picture. CarPro, Meguiar's, Armor All. I'm going to arrange these in a second from least to greatest, in my opinion. Okay, so and we got turtle wax. So, in my opinion, this is how they all stand from least to greatest. And I'll give my reasons why. This, they all work. They'll all clearly work. This slowly sheets water off. It doesn't really bead that much. This was out before any of these. This has been out for a long time though. And that's why I put this in last place. This works efficiently, works in a foam can. This does not work in a foam can. This does work in a foam cannon. And it's easy results. The beads are pretty decent. It's good results. This, probably the best beading of all. Does not work in a foam cannon. It's got amazing beading though because of the SiO2 boost they got in there. But I'd say overall the reason I don't put it in first place, you can't foam it on. And I know some people are going to want to do that. I personally don't care to do that. I mean, you can. Sometimes I've tried it before. It's hard to work with unless you got really good temperatures, but that's besides the point. This stuff, as we just saw, you can foam it on. You can also use it in a bucket. The beads are very good, not quite as good as this, but the beads are better than this. And then CarPro, this has been around for the longest. I think CarPro's just got the standard on a ceramic washing coat soap. It's got great beads. The beads are just as good as this. Not quite as good, but just as good as this. It's got great foaming. Foaming's just as good as these two. And it's just a great overall product. I don't consider price to be a point. If price matters to you, this is going to be your best value. If performance matters, this is going to be your best performance. If you need something that works all around good in both situations, one of these. These are good price, performance, and usability. And turtle wax, if you use their hybrid solution stuff, great. I honestly think they could reformulate that to improve it a little bit. But that goes for the review of the Griots and all of these products. I didn't actually make a video of this product, but I mean, there's nothing really to say about it. So that's all I got for you guys. Appreciate everybody watching my video. Leave a comment below. Let me know which one's your favorite. Let me know if there's another one to try. I know Geon is one. I don't have that. Maybe I can try Geon Bath Plus soon. But all I gotta say is this stuff is pretty good. So appreciate you watching. Leave the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos. All right, I just washed the whole car, so I'll just show you guys how the hydrophobics look. This car had no protection on it before, but I mean, that's just from the wash soap. So that's pretty damn good. Even on the glass. Yeah, it's probably one of my favorites.